guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about a BB cream. So if you want to see what this is all about, so please keep on watching. Talking about a BB cream, guys, I'm talking about a BB cream from the brand Incolor. Now this is how the outer packaging of the BB cream looked like. So I recently got to know that Incolor does have their BB cream as well. I don't know whether this is a new product or not, but to me it is a new product. So yeah, this is how the outer packaging looked like. This is their 18-1 BB cream, which does contain SPF 15 in it, which is a really good thing. If you are a person who loves to wear BB cream on regular basis, or if you are a person who loves to wear a base makeup, then having SPF in your base makeup is like perfect thing ever. Now this does say that this conceal, smooth, even out, prime, brighten, hydrate and control oil. Now this is what I'm wearing as of now, and I think that all of the 8 things is right, because this does conceal a little bit of everything on my face, and it also hydrates your skin. It does control the oil as well. Now this will give you low to medium kind of a coverage. So if you're a person who loves to wear a little bit of coverage base on your face, then this is the product for you guys. Talking about the packaging, this comes in a plastic container like this kind of a packaging, and this is in light pink color, and this does come with a dropper as well, which is a really good thing, quite easy to use. I'm in the shade 02, which is the lightest shade, matches to my skin tone. And guys, I am personally normal to dry skin kind of a person, so on my skin it worked perfectly. So if you're a person with oily skin, having a good primer base and then applying it, this will work perfectly fine. Talking about the quantity, this does come in 30 ml of packaging at the price of 285 rupees. I personally got this from an online store, so you can also find this out and can buy it, because I really love it. I really love the luminous matte finish on my skin, and I'm really liking it, and I will recommend this product to you guys. Now this is all about this BB cream. Now quickly see the demonstration and let's see if I personally like this or not. Before giving you the demonstration, this is what I'm wearing as of now, and I'm loving it to the core. So yeah, that is it about the Incolor BB cream. Now let's quickly see the demonstration. I have already primed my face, so I'm gonna apply this now. This dropper is not working, guys. Let me just figure this out. No, the dropper is not working, so you can use the stick as a spatula and you can just dot it all around your face. I don't know what just happened to the dropper. Oh, I can see that it's covering. So it have covered the black mark here. So yeah, it does have a little bit of coverage as well. It is blending easily on my skin. It's not patchy, not drying at all. So yeah, I can see that it's blending really good. It is not patchy, it is not drying, and it's also concealing bits of everything. So I really like this thing. It's a little light on my skin, but sometimes, as of now, it's looking little light on my skin. So let's give it like a couple of minutes to dry. Let's see if this oxidizes and takes my skin tone or not. So yeah. Okay guys, so after a few minutes I can see now it's taking my skin tone and it's not looking light to me. But now what I'm doing is I'm going to set this with a compact powder. And so I'm using a compact powder. You can use any. I'm using the one from Lakme 925 range. So I've set my face. Now let me just do a minimal of makeup, because I really want to see if the other things blend fine or not. So I'll just do a little bit of makeup on my skin, like contouring, a little bit of blush, because I want to see if those things work or not. I've done minimal of makeup, so I think everything blended really fine. You can see that. So this is basically how it's looking. So that was the demonstration, guys. It blended really well. It does give a lustrous and a matte finish to whole of my skin. I'm really liking it. I am looking myself using this on regular purpose. So yes, guys, do let me know if you have already used it, how this worked on your skin, whether you liked it or not. I am recommending this BB cream to all of you. So if you are the one who is looking for a good BB cream, of course you can buy this. This will do wonders to your skin. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos. This can be helpful to somebody else. Do leave a like as well. Till then, you take care, guys. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.